Another dilemma here on the homestead. Our dogs figured out a way to break past the gate through the wire and get out. So they end up roaming to the neighbors, and we're afraid they'll get hurt. So Miguel put a piece of tin up there first, but they figured out another way. So he's got a bunch of scrap wood slabs and 1x6s, and he's putting together a little makeshift fence to try to keep these girls from figuring out how to get out again. So he just started on it. It's gonna be 3 foot wide and 5 and a little bit over. He's not gonna cut these slabs. If they're past 5, we're just gonna let them stick up. It don't have to be perfect, it just has to be functional. So I'll show you what he does as he goes along. So this is the next project that goes from this side of the property down to where the girls have their run. It's across the little gate and the little bridge, kind of like a cement bridge Miguel built. So we'll be back. Now he's putting the screws across the center bar, and it'll be ready to set up and attach to the gate. So I'll show you when he starts setting it up. Miguel's taking the tin out now to get the fence put in, or his fence panel that he made. Miguel put up the last piece for today on this side, and we'll come back tomorrow if the weather permits, and he can show you what all he's done today, and then tomorrow we'll do the other side.
Have to be cut on this level.
Okay.
Right.
I don't think you need to cut it. I like it all staggered high and low. I like it like that. It looks rustic. It's a lot of extra work for you when it's not necessary, when it looks just fine. This is the second day on the fence panel work, and Miguel's starting on the second fence panel for the other side of the gate. And it's 70 degrees today in Jefferson, South Carolina. Hear the crows talking, the roosters crowing. Be back to show you when he starts putting the panels on his 2x4s. Miguel switched to using some nails on the thinner boards to save on the screws. So that's gonna take a little longer. Miguel got the fence panel set up, and now he's getting it leveled up, and he'll be putting pieces on the other side to make sure it's attached to that wire fence, so our girls can't make a hole and come out again. Hey, Miguel.
Howdy.
You say howdy?
Yeah. Say aloha. See you. See you is Cherokee Indian. How you say hello in Cherokee Indian? See you. S-I-Y-O. I don't know.
Well, that's our language lesson for today. Thank you.
You want to say Spanish, you say hola.
Yeah. That's why I love you. You're so funny.
You want to talk like from Hawaii, you say aloha.
Yeah. All right, he'll be back when he gets it finished leveled up. Miguel got a huge slab across the top of the gate. Man, he's just outdoing himself. I love it, absolutely love it. Rustic style. And he's outdoing himself with this. Trying to keep the dogs from tearing out beside on each side of the gate, and then ended up with an archway. Thank you, Miguel. I love it. I'm sure Kizzy and Gemma don't love it because they like to get out and run like crazy. If they didn't go bother the neighbors, it'd be okay, but we got to keep them inside to protect them and the neighbors' animals. Be back to show you what else he gets done. Now he's got another slab on this side to match up the other side. It's gonna make it extra strong. I absolutely just love it. He sure comes up with some good ideas to use up scrap materials. Hello, Miguel.
Hey guys, I hope you like watching our videos. Yeah, I hope we encourage someone. You see down here, for me that was a lot of work. Because I keep lost my tools. Can't remember what I put 5 minutes ago. But you can see all I use down here is material that we've been have left from another projects. And we try to not use it too many 1x6s. You can see we put one slab down here, one there in. So this actually this little panels is like 3.5 or 4 foot. Same thing down here. Yeah, put I just cut the 1x6.5 and put it like that. They got pieces 2 or 4 in the back, like that. And what it sticks right there was another slab. Right between this slab and this slab, there's a fence. That's where the dogs got out. That's the reason we put this. We built this little fence panel, so we cover the area where the dogs got out. And with this down here, with this hard extra slab, you see we put it that way. Well, since we put this one down here already, we found another one and put it that way. So there was one that way and one this way. And then here on the top, there's 2 slabs. One on this side, one on this side. I think there's only one problem I can see down here. if anybody else taller than me, and they're gonna try to come on real fast, they're gonna hit their head in.
I hope not. If they do, they only do it one time.
So remember next time. But yeah, that take us a little bit longer because I lost my tape measure and can't find it. I lost it last night. Can't find it this morning, so I have to go get another one. And I still got a few material left to cover on a rabbitry, between the tin and slab.
Yeah, another project in the rabbitry.
It's kind of a hole like 4 inches.
Yeah.
Hole. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a long slide, measure for the distance from one 204 to the next 204, and cut like a notch on every 204. And when I got that, I just gonna push them in like that. But that was the plan, but nothing easy. I thought this one's gonna be easy, but I don't. Nothing easy. Well, guys, I hope you like how this thing turns out. I don't know if you can see because this Nandina pretty much is in the way. Can you see from there? And see down here we just put a 2x6s inside. Under here there's cedar logs. Cause down here they used to be more high down here and real low down there. So I put a cedar logs this way and this way. That's what they from here. That's
Makes
what they
like a
look
bridge.
that.
Made a little bridge.
And you see, we don't have a lot of cement, so we just only put a little bit down here. But maybe later, gonna add another 2 or 6, at least from here to our way to the end, and put cement right there too. But it was a plan, but when we do this, I mix in a wheelbarrow. This time I think we have a little toy down there to mix it. Not a big one, but I think they do the job. But we're gonna show that on a different video. Well guys, again, you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. You like it how it turns out, or if you have any different ideas, please drop a comment on a comment section right below. I know it's not looking professional, so
It's functional.
I know the fin span of the square. This one is nothing square. I just cut a 2x4s, 1x6s, and 2 pieces of slab and put it together.
And praying it's going to keep the dogs from breaking out again. But Gemma is on patrol all the time looking for a way out.
But there's only problem that I see is down here on top of me. Anybody else come on running or is a little bit taller than me, don't here right there. So, there you am. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. God bless every one of you guys. Keep us in your prayers. We keep you in our prayers as well. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching.